guys, I am here Subham Singh. I am going to introduce about the project I work in SNN Raj CORP. So we have a project called SNN Raj High Gardens that is back on the main national highway, which is just near to Chandapura, that you can say 1 kilometer from main Chandapura road. And we have a luxury project having 9.5 acres of land parcel with having more than, like you can say, 65% of open area, having only 11 towers, and we have 5 units in each floor. So in the entire project we have 45,000 square feet of clubhouse with a G+3 structure. So in this 9.5 acres we have the elevation of G+14th floor in the phase 1 with a 2 levels of basement car parking, and in a phase 2 we have 4 towers with a basement level of 1 level of basement car parking with a ground floor plus 14th floor. Here I am going to show you the 2.5 BHK with 1090 square feet in SNN Raj High Gardens. So here once you enter we have a huge living area with a dining. Then again we have a attached living balcony area which is having a 7.1 into 5 feet of height. Then again we have a kitchen with utility having 9 into 7.5. Master bedroom with a wooden laminated flooring over here with a attached balcony. The balcony size is 9.1 into 5 with a attached washroom. Then again here I am going to show you the second bedroom, which is having a common washroom in just front of the door. The room size is 9.10.6. Your common washroom over here. Then again we have a study room over here where you can convert it as a work from home or kids room, or as a small musical room. You can convert it with a bay window over here which is not going to block your views or sunlight.
Action.
Thank you for watching the video. Below is our contact number. For any further details and information, you can feel free to reach out us anytime, and hit the like and subscribe button. We are coming with some more contents beyond our channel. Thank you. Have a great day to you all.